Something big, big. I'm trying out some new line just to see what happens. It's I think co-polyamor, and we're definitely testing the strength of it right now. Definitely testing the strength of it. Whatever we have here is on the bottom. Yeah, whatever this is freaking huge. And does not, I mean, I don't know if you guys see my pole flexing right now or not. But definitely gonna be one for the books if this is a bass. Alright. I saw a flash, but that don't mean anything. He's not fighting like a carp. Oh man, he's a big carp. Yeah, this one's an oldie. This is an old carp. How cool is that, guys? Just a little 5-6 weight. It's just about keeping your pole up, you know. If he really starts to pull, you give it to him, but fiberglass rod is holding up very nicely. See, like right there, he go next. Three minutes in. Still hasn't come up yet. This is the stuff you want to see. Okay. Oh, there he is. There he is. See if he'll come up again. Goodness gracious. He is fat. And not letting me bring him up. Using a little green worm I tied on, just something super basic. Super basic. Oh, he's right here, guys. Let's see if I find it. Guys, look at the size of that hog right there. Let me get out of the sunlight. Look at him.